Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Janet and I make fashion, beauty, and lifestyle content. So if you enjoyed these types of videos, please consider subscribing. So this is my first video of 2026, so happy new year. I hope that you guys have been doing well and that 2026 has been treating you well so far. So if you've been following me for some time, you know that I recently moved back in September. So now that I'm in my own space, I kind of wanted to get into my hosting era. So I thought, what better way to kick off my hosting era than with Galentine's Day. So I will be hosting my first Galentine's Day next month. Super excited about that. So just wanted to give you guys some tips in case you're looking to host your first Galentine's Day as well. And also want to show you guys the decor I've gotten so far. So if you're interested, keep on watching. So I did watch a few videos here on YouTube to kind of give me an idea of how to host my first Galentine's Day. But there's one girl's video in particular that I stumbled upon that was very, very helpful. Her name, I believe, is The Real J Doll. I'll link her video in my description box because her video was very helpful. She kind of laid out everything perfectly. So I'm going to try and format my videos similarly. But yeah, you want to first start off with, of course, a theme. ChatGPT is kind of very useful when it comes to picking a theme. I went ahead and went with a pajama party theme because it seems like my guests wanted to do like a pajama party theme, so I was like, why not? So we're going to be wearing PJs, and then we're also going to be doing arts and crafts. So we're going to be doing two activities. The first activity I decided to go with was bouquet making. As you guys know, my cousin has a bouquet making business, so I thought it would be perfect to kind of incorporate that into the Galentine's Day. So she will be helping out with that portion. And then I also wanted to incorporate some like something artsy in it. So I was on TikTok, scrolling TikTok for some ideas, and I saw the whole charm bar idea. So with that, you can make charm bracelets, or you can do bag bracelets, but I decided to go ahead and do like the lip gloss charm idea. I think that's so cute. So I'll try and incorporate like a video so you can see what I'm referring to, but we're going to be doing charms for lip glosses. So I just want everyone to bring a lip gloss of their choice, and we're going to go ahead and make charms for that lip gloss. So super excited about that. That's kind of like my theme for the party. But next, we're going to do invitations. So for my invites, I decided to use two different platforms. I used Partyful as well as Canva. If you're not familiar with Partyful, it's just an app that you can use to send out invites. So I used that initially because I wanted the guests to vote on different dates that worked best for them. So the three different dates I had were the 13th, the 14th, as well as the 15th. And it seemed that the 14th worked best for most of my guests. So I decided to go with the 14th. So once I had the date set, I went ahead and used Canva to make my official invite. So I'll go ahead and try and put the invite on the screen so you guys can see. So the initial page is just the official invite. It just says Galentine's Day brunch. Oh, I forgot to mention that brunch is part of the theme as well. So yeah, it's going to be a brunch inspired event. So I just have that on the first page, and then on the second page I have a list of what the guests should wear, obviously. So everyone's going to be wearing PJs, but I want them to be Valentine's Day inspired. So I did make note of that as well on the invite, and then I also put suggestions on where they can get their PJs. And then on the last page is going to be the schedule of events. So it just lists out the different things that we're going to be doing throughout the day, as well as the times. So the initial thing is going to be brunch, of course. So we're going to eat first. And then after that, we are going to get into the activities of the evening. So it'll be the bouquet making first, and then as well as the charm making. It doesn't have to be in a particular order, but I'm going to allow my guests to do whichever they feel they want to start with, but that's going to be between a certain time frame as well. And then after that, we are just gonna take pictures and pretty much end the night. So that is my schedule of events. Super, super excited. I cannot wait. So yeah, let's go ahead and get into the decor that I've gotten so far. Okay, so starting off with the items that I got from Hobby Lobby. Most of the stuff I got are like the charms that I'm gonna be using to make the lip gloss charms. So let's start off with that. So these are some of the charms that I got from Hobby Lobby. I got 2 of these. These are like initial, I hope you guys can see this well. It's like initial charms. So if the girlies want to put like a initial for their charm, they can. I got 2 of them just in case. I also got this cute rose charms as well. And then I got these cute pink donuts. I just think this is just so cute and girly. I also got these, which are like my favorite charms. So I got 2 of these. It's just a bunch of different charms on here as well that you can sift through. And as you can see, a lot of pink going on, a lot of girliness going on. So I just love these. And then the last charms I got were these cross charms, because of course God is the center, so we need that. So yeah, these are all the charms I got. And then I also got these 2 bowls, heart-shaped bowls. So I'm gonna put the charms in these 2 bowls right here. And then I also got this too. So this is the chain that we're gonna use to put the charms on. And then the last 2 things I got from Hobby Lobby are these napkins. So another thing I'm incorporating in my theme is bows. So you're gonna see a lot of bow decor. So I ended up getting these cute bow napkins, which I think are gonna be incorporated well into my theme. And then I also got this silicone thing. You can use this to make ice, so that's what I'm going to use it for. You can make other things with it, but I'm using it for ice. So I think that's going to be cute in the drinks that I'm going to make. So yeah, these are all the things I got from Hobby Lobby. Not that much, but I think I am going to go back there definitely before the event to get a few more things. But for now, that's all the things that I got. Now moving on to Target, I just got a few things as well. So the first thing I got are these cute candles. Like, let me open it so you guys can get a good idea of the detailing of these candles. So I really hope you guys can see this well. As you can see, it has this cute like floral detail on it. Absolutely love these. It's actually gonna go on these candle holders right here. So once February hits, I'm gonna be decorating my place with Valentine's Day inspired things. So it won't just be for like Galentine's Day, the event, but for the whole month, I'm gonna have all my little, you know, Valentine's Day decor. So I can't wait to put that there. So that's from Target. And then I also got these candles as well. These are like candy inspired candles, which I think are so cute. Love these. And then I got this heart-shaped marble plate thingy. So I'm actually gonna put the assortment of fake, you know, candy onto this plate. It's gonna look so cute. I already kind of styled it. I'm gonna try and insert a picture or a video of how it looks and how I plan to style it. So this is gonna be styled in my kitchen. And then I think that's all the things that I got from Target. So just these 3 things are what I got from Target. So moving on to the items I got from TJ Maxx. So sticking with the kitchen, I got these 2 wooden spoons from TJ Maxx as well. So these are gonna go in my little marble holder that I have in the kitchen, and it's gonna be beside this as well. So I think that's gonna look so cute. And then I also got this XO thingy as well. I was gonna actually design this on my bar cart, which I probably still will, but for the event itself, I probably will have to move it because I'm gonna use my bar cart actually to display my the bouquet flowers. So yeah, I'll just have this on the bar card for the month in general, but for the actual event, I think I'm gonna move it. I'm not sure where I'm gonna move it yet, but we'll see. So yeah, that's that. This is from TJ Maxx as well. And then I also got this cute heart-shaped board, which again, I'm gonna style in my kitchen in general for the month of February, but I don't know if I'm gonna have it styled for the event itself because I'm gonna style my counter differently for the actual event, but I am gonna have this styled in general in my kitchen for the month of February. So yeah, this is from TJ Maxx as well. And then I also got, of course, kitchen towels. So as you can see, it's incorporating the whole bow theme. So it has some cute bows here and then some hearts as well. And then it's actually a set of 3, so I'm gonna, more than likely I'm gonna use just 2. So I'll use these 2 to style in the kitchen. And then the last thing I got from TJ Maxx is this cute ceramic bowl, and this is also gonna be styled in the kitchen. So yeah, so once I style all of these things, of course I'm gonna show you guys, but yeah, I cannot wait to like decorate everything. All right, so let me show you guys the last things that I got from Home Goods. All right, so the last few items that I got are from Home Goods. And excuse the lighting, by the way, the sun is setting. It's 5 o'clock now, so if the lighting is different, I apologize. But yeah, the last few items I got were from Home Goods. So I got these plates. These plates I want to display the food on. How cute are these? Like, I love this. I can't wait to display the food on them. I am going to be making like heart-shaped waffles. So I'm going to place some of the waffles on this plate here. And then I also got this little cup here. I'm going to put the syrup in this cup here. And then the last thing I got is this 2-tiered stand. So like I'm going to be serving like sweet treats, of course. So the sweet treats are going to go on this stand right here. So yeah, that is all the items that I got in stores. So the rest of the stuff I'm going to get are going to be from online. So I'm going to shop on Shein as well as Amazon. So once I get those pieces from those stores, I'll try and show them in another video, maybe like in a vlog or so. But yeah, these are all the items that I got so far in store. I think I'll go back to Hobby Lobby to get a few more things, and I definitely need to go back to the Dollar Tree because there's a few things I want to get from there as well, like gift bags, and I might get like a few vases, and then a lot of the sweet treats I might get from there as well. So yeah, that is all the items, you guys. I hope you all enjoyed this video and you did find it helpful. If you are planning on hosting your own Galentine's Day, let me know in the comment section and let me know what your theme is and how you are like preparing for it, like where you're shopping and all of that good stuff. But I want to thank you all for watching. I will speak with you guys in my next video. Bye.